Welcome to the World Miracle Center, to the land of freedom, and to the place where God answers prayer and prosper his people. I declare to you that crying for breakthroughs and open doors. And this line says the liquid metal, the Indaboski Pahos. Listen to me. This is your year of prosperity. This is your month of a new month of success. I use this morning as a point of contact for your door is open in the name of Jesus Christ. That's a grace I carry and a power that God gives to me. That anything I declare shall come to pass. I declare open doors in your life. I declare prosperity in your life. I declare breakthrough in your life. Listen to me. Your life will not remain the same. Your story will change. Anywhere you're watching me, anywhere you're hearing the sound of my voice, any chains of poverty, any chains that blocking your way not to prosper, I break that chain in the name of Jesus. God have never failed me. God have never disappointed me. Whatever I said, anything I declare come to pass, there's a grace given to me. I'm the lion himself. I'm the liquid matter. I'm in Daboski Pahose. Listen to me wherever you are here watching me, anywhere you are. Hearing the sound of my voice, your life will change. Your story will change. Don't forget that this Friday is going to be a wonderful day the Lord has made. And it's going to be a candle night. A night of prosperity is going to be a suya night. Be there and your life will change. Come with all your prayer requests anywhere you're coming down from. My God will look at you. My God will change your life and your story will change. I pray for you. Anywhere they change you, anywhere they block your way that you cannot prosper, I declare today, let there be prosperity in your life. Let there be breakthrough in your life. Let there be open door in your life. There is almost about 10 million here in naira and in dollars, as God has already declared that today. I am going to share this money today. I'm going to share this money today to a lot of people. Anywhere you're coming down from, to the poor, to the needy, and to the less privileged, tonight, on night of candle nights, great day is going to be a great night. And we do 21 days fasting to cross it. And God said to me to bless people, both in prayer, both in spiritual, but in finances. I will do it as God ordered me. I'm going to share this money to the poor and to the less privileged and to the needy. Anywhere you're coming down from, you're welcome to the World Miracle Center, to the land of freedom. Listen to me, your life will not remain the same. Your story will change, and my God will answer your prayer. Fear not,